Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Look what came. Running boards from Amazon. Less than $500 shipped. So let's check them out. Okay, let's see this thing. 55 pounds it says. Pretty nice, huh? It says Magnus on there. I think that's going to be perfect. Looks a lot like the pickup truck, doesn't it? Very similar. Got these on Amazon too.
Is it the same name?
No. Different company, but similar looking board. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. I have to read about how to do it now. So there's what came in the kit. You can see everything's nicely marked here and stuff. Pretty good, heavy duty coating on there. Like that ain't coming off. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty heavy duty. There's a couple styles of this bracket, 3 of those, 3 of these, and then these 2 are different. There's like one right one, one left one, I guess. I'm gonna just read. There's the instruction manual. Looks pretty weak. Okay, well, it looks pretty good. I found the 2 bags of bolts too. We'll see. It says there's some drilling required, but I'm not afraid of a drill. I just hope it's not a major pain in the butt. That's that one. See the unique bracket here for the front and the driver left rear. Wait, the driver front and the passenger front are different. I'm more worried about the rear bracket on the passenger side because I do have a water tank under there. So I'm thinking the middle bracket on the passenger side is not going to be able to go in, but that's okay. It's not like you're stepping on it back here so much. Let's take a look under the van. Okay, here we are at the front. It's this plug right here. It's got to come off. And then, let's see, I gotta stick this in there. Let's see, both hands. Let's see if I can get this on here. So the idea is, you don't want to lose that thing in the hole once you get it in there. Nope.
You didn't find it either?
Yeah, I do. Okay, I got that in the hole. So now we just take this guy, washer, lock washer, get him on there. So there it is, installed. You can see that hole is slotted there. So we can go up and down. I'm just gonna kind of leave it slightly loose, and then you can see there's plugs all the way down along here, along the side. So I got the pinch weld bracket in here. And that's where you got to drill, right there, all the way down. I'll have to drill those, which is fine. It's a good sturdy way of doing it. But it'll be fun to drill. We'll get her.
I have them all sorted out for them, so it's a lot easier, a lot faster. You just pick what size you need.
Yep, nice. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
Put this on here like this. And then just poke it in the hole. And then it doesn't want to go in the hole. And then you gotta figure out which direction. So you can kind of see what I'm working on here. We got our 3 brackets in place. And then here's the pinch bracket on the front. So it's coming along. We've only been on this for what, half hour?
Yeah.
That's gonna look good.
I think it's awesome.
That's gonna look really good, boy. These are nice. Look at that. Wow. Okay then. Magnus running boards. Nice. So I was ready to buy the all running boards for, by the time they ship them, it's over $2,000. These, they were $490 shipped to my house. The finish is the same. They look really nice. I like how these are raised. You know, so it'll kind of grip your foot. Yeah. I think that magnet sticker will just peel right off. I'll just tell everybody to have all. Okay, I'm just kidding. Paying a lot for a name there when these are the same thing. Boy, they look a lot like the ones in the pickup truck, which I like, you know. But nice. Very nice fit. So we'll go ahead. I like how they're in here tight. And then this here is blocked off. I've seen a lot of these where, you know, they drop down and you can see through there. It's about 3 inches of air you can see through there. I like that these are nice and tight up against the body, and it's gonna look nice. I'm excited. This is great. Yeehaw. So we're not done for a long shot here though. We got some drilling to do. So let's get at it. Okay, so I got the red Helix 1/4 inch drill bit, 15 times longer. It's made for steel, so hopefully that's $10.25. Hopefully that'll work good. I gotta get this marked. I think we're in a good spot here. Putting it in the center of the slot. And then we're gonna drill that out. On the other side, I put these up higher. I put it up there, like there, and there. And that's where I bolted it on. It worked out just great. So I hope this one does too. Okay, so don't flame me too bad for this, but I'm just using good old Rust-Oleum black. It's not getting it on your finger. I'll go ahead and get a little paint on that hole. Do the back side, same thing, except probably sloppier. Right. Okay, so on these pinch welds, let's just go ahead and put these in. So these are one washer on the outside and lock washer and a flat washer on the inside. So, flat washer, lock washer, put the nut. And I'm just going to leave all this loose until we get them all on here. And then we'll tighten it up at the end. So okay. So I'm just gonna skip that one. Whoa. Pretty solid. I mean, we'll get the rest of them tight first, but wow, this is gonna be nice. Real nice. I'm pretty happy with them. Check it out. I think that looks great on there, you know? Okay, so this is what I came up with for this position. I cut the top off and I painted that back in. She would have to start that thing up again. So here's the problem, right? There's the holes I drilled, and then up under here is our water tank, you know? And so the plug that I want is right above here, which is not gonna work. The water tank, you can see it's hitting a brace down there. So I put a bracket here that there is a hole here, but there's no bracket on the bottom of the running board here. So I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and bolt this on. Let's see how it does. And then we'll take it to the next level after that. Well, this thing is solid as a rock. That's not going anywhere. Let's try it. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. That's it then. I'm taking that other bracket off. I'll show you what I did here. So this bracket goes all the way to the back here. That one I cut off, and it's just as that. So I'm gonna take the second one off. I think we're good to go. It's solid, man. Hey guys, this is great. Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Amazon for less than $500.